wow, what click video no so nyame show it drew any point in your life na so person utu kwan a woye den a this decision ya and me ye hu video yi obeba be drew this decision obebusa hu two questions say akwantu a meba betu mi amenya ma de na mema agent be enyemame. Through this point of choosing the right person to do it for you, and as a one when you're it's me very, very confusing because I know we call online no in Grofobie way did or the Misika Journey scam owns and uncle for your videos and don't go with an agent or move and do it yourself. When do you know when to do it yourself? And I say, when do you know say you need to go for an agent? And until I hear this specific video now, why would him how a Kulturu Global you see Kulturu Global your consultant, your mission and say in the next 5 years to come, you a board of 20,000 more to cry cry at that or more akumasun tea video way at the boy in Yanum Ghana for or more. And internet by the time I be reading who the difference between say wow we are what dear again you medin in your womb agent and as a consultant be amount again you medin in you the truth will be told today. Into making sure so this video before I be let us face the fact whether you do it yourself benefit a woman risk a woman at the any say agent and as a consultant a amount benefit being a woman and a risk being so na a woman. The first thing yembra you no so actually say one I would decide to obey no why dear a dear ben obey me a face. Number one, the good thing in it and say one kasa obey me so congratulations if you're good say obey say yes one kasa obey me and I will give you the confidence. There are some people, let me tell you the gospel truth. They are really, really smart. Do not get me wrong. More tasks, and I say a band of paperwork. They are really, really good in it. And you know, yes, a band of traveling documents in this annual manner. Or more share the way I process until no one said, no, this one I can jump over this mountain. You know, there are some people or more to me, I or my dear. Now, Yensha, be so Wahanum say, even though you won't crewphobia or more bit me, I or Madian, you won't crewphobia so honoma or more enkasa a higher risk. Incrofobi honoma, one kasa ya wo besen. Because obi honoma, in fact, the moment the ebeba legal documents in the document or they kwakuye be important, a honum na da nipa no meseya. Eto de bi so kra na obi honoma drew that level na they panic. And in Tinabana sana obonso otimi meseya. Na visa eso no agema no. Now I say, there is a higher risk. So at the same time, though there is a higher risk. Say at the end of moyen. Number 3, the toso ye one kasa we ya. You don't have any experience in it. This is the first time all babayas are doing. They have zero experience and our less resources. Make less resources are so obesian how to do it. Grana afena okwako gather that information. So there is less resources and there is more time consuming if you want to do it yourself. This is fact. And I said me relay teacher until whether US now person or whether student visa now person or whether visit now person or Canada now person or France now person or UK now person or baby person or legal document we now submit a da a cruna person or embassy. Some of these documents now will be putting it together to guess the resources and know what to do in a time consuming. That is the fact about doing it yourself. Now let's go to say agent amount. Agent and our consultant entity be a watching no also oboa adofo emomoye obi kasa yes ama eno so no fact be in the womb and a de be so na enye ne kre agent ebre na a ewo honum no etimi ye adwuma ne ye they get the job done. There was a story bia your client bia ya boa na manako sua ade wo Canada the first day of class obora class no po hu Ghana fu bebre wo statistics on Ghana fu ni bi kasa and one of the specific question obisa o mo ne say why na ede wo bai wa na wo ye wa de na agent bi na boa na consultant bi na boa class honum Ghana fu na obo honum mo se na omo be 20 was over 90% of them omo nyina si agent na de omo bae into wo hwemu a akwantu a happen e wo wiasim handum say majority of the time no especially a ban Ghana for right I don't know about other part of the world but a ban Ghana for majority of omo travel successfully no emu bebre na kasa almost I can say 95% of them no agent any consultant na de wo mo echo. There are good agents out there. At the same time, let's come to the second one. There are scammers out there. We cannot dispute that fact. The fact to say agent ne consultant papa wo no ma omobu anipa no ese ehu ne say scammers so wo no de won krofo bi wo no ma wo monye papa enti na me eje wo say wo behwe video we amana kosi awie because make sure enioma bi asa wo follow sa enioma no na in case wo person consultant bi eyema na agent bi yema wa you will never be scammed because you use these 3 powerful keys am de be ma ama at the end of the video ebe detect say nipa no ye fake or scam me and as wonim de wo ye. The third one what this list so sometimes agent ni be will fail to do it, and also let us face that fact. So uko agent be on no ka say 100% guarantee minim ekro cross so ebi ekro na person or the ukoso no ekro ni nye den to get on. There are some countries that the fact that you submit the right documents to them, they will give you the visa. But there are some countries be on with the right documents, they still do thorough investigation to make sure that you qualify or overly qualify. So no visa na a ban of those countries a bit say US, Canada, Germany. And your agent no consultant be a bit me a guarantee of visa. Some of them the be call a bit fail. So you need to also know that fact. What is the good thing about agents and consultants? They have more experience, which I will explain more about that deeper in the video. Okay, and they have more resources as well. At the end of the day, say agent and a consultant on krata sem amount to kwanya. The time and the resources they will spend on it is way less than say wow ya wadi. Ebi a one kasa person gather information biya na wow ya wadi. It's going to take you months and months and months. As the agent and a consultant be yamawa, it's way quicker and faster. It doesn't mean say a guarantee. Let me tell you the reason why you doing it yourself, the path that you have to go through, and I'm going to break down the real pros and cons when you are doing it yourself. The first thing, this is you here. So why does it take you longer? Obahanum saying you are an empty barrel. Unim hoshe. Obi one more person to kwine, baby o person to kwine kono. Ebi a the school neko or the business neko or the visits neko. You have no idea what it takes. Having a obey baby steps. Ako bibi to say Google so and how ko YouTube and as obe busa around joining groups, telegrams, wine and all that to learn. You literally need to learn it as if say school all over again in order to do it for yourself. And that alone can sometimes take 2, 3, 4 months to even study how our process needs it here. Countless of videos. Sometimes you have to watch a bit more than even 20 to 40 videos. And sana what the process nase. Now even ubeti process nase kra area. Na unim obi awo so onsa aboawa. Everything that you are doing as a unim de wo ye, but as a whole try as a far. And sometimes some of these immigration sites and countries your course of the application, they don't give you so much information on what to do. The country be on if you are in school or Canada, call IRCC for website. So make sure that you bring proof of financial support. Make sure you bring this. Make sure you bring that. Bring this. No, the course on bedina can say you can't say but one you say you can't say but one you say. It just more my ye be that and no name the exact details that you need to provide to them in order to even have a chance to be successful. In area for 4 months, then you come here to the application level. Now, what apply to that country? And then omo de bema wa no mo de amount omo mfa ma so so a ene wa intino say one away your application your success really depends on here or resources new information ni bibia obekada so utimi gather good enough information regardless of however long I be take you now utimi gather that information no directing into the application then the chances of you being successful no now go point domain resources be brave or go to global and say me push this video we am a big crown now we decided say wow be your and I will share this video is here me share from abem. Yes, you can do it. I'm rooting for you. If you're able to do it, excellent, congratulations. I will be so happy if you be able to do it yourself. Now you do all this application and then the decision come. Your decision whether you make it or not is based on this resources resources. So no, do you know what is so funny about it? You can stump on the wrong video, you can stump on a wrong article. One person can give you bad advice and it will cause you to fail. That's one thing about resources. So resources sometimes is really good for us, but sometimes it is really devastating. It's bad. And you find a whole bunch of people talking and to sort who is the right person to listen to. No, oh my goodness, it can be like just a whole world together. And sometimes you know what's so confusing? Obe click a video or say, oh, we say Obe click another person's video or say, oh, the opposite of the first guy in the kaya. So now it leaves you very confused. So why application almost self. And in fact, I applaud them because the information that is out there that they are doing it themselves. No, I salute them. But say in case say agent and I say consultant, you see, I don't want to be biased. I want to give you this information as raw as possible. Say agent and I say consultant be Yamawa. Let's see what happens, this is you right here. You find yourself go Canada, echo to our distance, and also we go US, echo for visits. You come and then you contact a consultant. Yeah, go to Global. Yeah, your consultant. Mamemfa, your example. Say you contact Obi to say Kulturu Global. Now you come to us and you tell us that me person me Canada kusun yade, me person mo me with the visa process in looking for schools and yade. Then guess what? Because you came to us. Now all that resources and search and this and you don't have to do those things. Why? Because we already have that information at hand. But aside from having that information at hand, the most expensive, the most wealthiest information that we have is called experience and resources. You cannot buy that. You can't resources could be network, it could be connections, it could be documents be in fact you have somebody who can help you do this here and then combine things together. And the friend said resource, experience, and they say this same person, it doesn't even have to be us, it could be anybody. One thing that you are getting from an agent or a consultant is you are getting something called experience, and they say odinipa ba akoda, odinipa mienu akoda, odinipa miensa akoda, odinipa 9 akoda. With that same country now, person could odinipa 15 into imagine say wako be on odinipa 15 etukwanda. Chances of you getting to that country has increased by significant amount of points. So the benefit our consultant and as an agent at the amount is the experience and the resources. But the Ukrainian woman say enyo munyina na papa, enyo munyina na claim me so omo that experience no omo no, enyo munyina and what that knowledge, that resources no omo kaso omo. Until you need to be careful in selecting the right ones. Now omo gather all their knowledge, their experience, their resources are omo their application. Omo application number we are the chances of you getting the visa tremendously increase. Bebrina ya no omo kase there's no shortcut to life, but in actuality there's actually shortcut to life. Because let me give you a perfect example. To say video yeah we see right. There are so many videos are in fact sometimes you me a video near say all the documents we you'll be successful at your visa. Yeah, those type of videos maybe the Aman. People have literally come to us as Kulturu Global say Medamo say me share videos and I'm me there a call baby me imagine say baba obi to say Kulturu Global that's where so don't you think say you are far much better than doing it yourself? It's something that I want you to think about. A ban say wow be no self. What do you need? Number one, you need confidence. Even before you touch that document, that legal document, I would wow, show mupa say David don't go and do it because you've already failed in the mind. The chances of you failing in real life after failing in the mind is very, very high. Until you need confidence, I don't approach it. But confidence, no, a big grandpa, I don't feel big two crown. Resources. You've gained that confidence in you for sure. Wow, person, what they are doing yourself. Number two, are you used to paperwork? Are you used to filing, helping people? Or yeah, Juma or office or yeah, administrator okuta that skill of handling paperwork, filling forms, doing this, gathering documents, and this and what that experience now. I believe so you have the confidence to do it yourself. Indeed, that's number two. Number three, a family member and a person maybe our down for be I'm not succeed or to Canada and our US and our who know our busan said me pato bit me abo am no and it was starting kwande am definitely go for it yourself. So at least confidence cry now in paperwork I do it yourself. Those two is very, very good. When you confidence also so when you idea with paperwork what down for be say oh me am abo am why 50-50 it me afa but the chances say are very high because you don't have the confidence. And then nature said you know what won't mean yet it's also the comma consultant once I make us make say oh call consultant honoma and your mommy answer we na so share to know say agent here make on the honoma man aboami regardless of their charge check their track record because to check their track record out. What do I mean by that? Do just a little research about that specific person. If be our consultant and as a agency they need to say go and do some search about them, learn about them, hear what people are saying about them online. Yes, it won't say and yet the obia it can be about any consultancy and agency be an any correct obi one ma opeso go adwuma ne ho fi consultant and as agent no nya ne hwe but opeso o blasting but go online and search about that person. What would you find? What's their track record? Ebani say now who make a choice of going with that consultant or agent, it will be very, very helpful. Number two, I love this so much. Check their visibility. That's the biggest one I would be in the panel. They visible online. busa ho that question. Omo pages are omo ye active for so what means that they are interacting with people. Do you see them in a community doing things? And yet by force to say so omo ye bibi ma community, but are they visible? Like omo online, omo pages, omo website, omo BP. Go and check their pages. Scroll down, check their record. Are they active? And you say, yeah, all they are doing is just posting promotion. Come, no, check it to the beer. You see comment, you see the suitimus, they interact within those pages. And now say you have visibility. Depend on our office. Does the person have a location? So what that location on man and what just around the if you would that location hold no Marian, ask around. If there are some stores, there are some owners around, there are some people around our munim that consultant that call Nekobus and Nipana. So some random people that you see on the junction. Oh, agency way Ewahanum say you almost the info to crime pacho, only ome the leader and I watch your semda. If they have been there for long, the people, the society, the community will tell you, say, so and so agency, so and so consultant has been there for this time being and they are good or they are bad. Sometimes some good Samaritan will tell you, hey, the microphone de enko mu de bia microphone omo be kon hanum say omo je microphone si kedida blah 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 blah. And the third thing on my list ne say wo pese agent and I say consultant be yema o ema utu kwan na o trust nipa kwa. Ask the people around you, especially omo na oni omo tega na omo tu kwan, go and ask them. And the person say that's the best way. Word of mouth is the best way to find good and loyal and genuine consultants and aid. I hope that this video we are clear neoma be brave. If this video we me man friend will be any fee. Na she won cry say wa ankasa obetimi aye. At the same time, so Machel said there are bad agencies and consultants out there, so be careful. And at the same time, I've also told you say there are some good agents and good consultants out there too as well. Because trust me, Sanka agencies any travel consultants for ni Ghana make bibia say enipa bibre tu kwan ka bibre ntu kwan. Trust me, Jane Kulturu Global, I know what I'm talking about. Yeah, consultant. Yeah, board of Obebre. Ama ye di omotu kwan. Na ye mission no kra ni ye pesi ye di nipa 20,000 in the next 5 years to come. In the two kwan. We are not here for harm. We are not here for say ye be teaching kofu sikedi. Yes, your service no enye free. That one I will tell you. But at the end of the day, no, we are also helping our community. We give out free content eboa adofo. A umpeso omo ye no personally do it yourself for no. Ama wo mususu etimi ayede. Akwa akwentum. And into someone hanum say me sika no. Do you belong to the group myself? I go for it. I encourage you to go for it. I am rooting for you. But okay, group no wa show say, hey Jack, adiwe dear, this will be na yemamia. I am also opening our arms with mia aba. Now aba soye. As a consultant, Kulturu Global is our name. Your testimonies of Adofwaya Boawom, and I will put the link in this video. Yeah, wushi description. I should check it. I'll put some few testimonies there. Jan Kasa Sosono as a consultant, you were massive experience. Why? Because Jan Kasa you too quiet. Me and Mino say you were US. I've been here for 16 years. You were other men and women omoka ye team yi ho a ema Kulturu Global ejuma bia ye bia eso ani omo na wo ho mo wa hai country flag bia si etisu bia na honom ne ewo Emmanuel Eturu ewo US Nanama ewo Ghana Rika Zis ewo Canada me so fifi kum se me na me wa hanum say me wo US ye wo other people ebi wo Ghana ebi so wo US ye wo partners ebi wo UAE ebi biara ye consultancy ye se ye beboa mo akobia yen ye wo honom bia at the same time every Wednesday bia inside of our community ye free Zoom show ye the boa Ghana for omo pese wo mo ankasa eye wo mo process edi tu kwan. We are there answering questions for free. Pese obe join the community na and also make the community no link ebe share YouTube video yase and as baby are here bia no just search around, go on our pages, you should find that community link WhatsApp group yankasa wo me share valuable information bit said ye me dey brewe Kulturu Global your services I offer pese wo ye DV lottery processing, student permit a bit to Canada, a bit to US F1 visa, Canada student visa, ningina no ye boa adofo. Currently yeah make us a grand we are doing a fiancé visa. Dofu bi person obefa e free Ghana. We're helping some couples with their fiancé visa process. If you were UAE Juma secure job. I'm not talking about fishy ones. No. And into so one say na so person ye Juma. Me ja your number this video ya we share yase. But at the same time so my member bomao a US number 774-946-5963. Contact your WhatsApp. We are here for you. We there for you.